Alrighty guys, welcome back to another daily adventure where we pop our incense. We're looking for the three birds. How you doing? Hope all is well. We are definitely well over 40 days and so far only have Moltres with a master ball, seen Articuno many times, haven't caught it, and haven't seen a Zapdos. So there you have it, you're all caught up. If you skipped ahead in the series a little bit, come on, we gotta tickle the Mewtwo to get him out here. I'm trying to get him out here for the episode. Okay, one more. There we go. Screenshot. There. Now we can have Mewtwo out here for our adventure. We didn't do that last time, or last couple of times. Go ahead, pop the incense. Swaddle. Alright, our first Pokemon is gonna be Teddiursa. Also, we check zeros and hundos at the end of the episode, so stay tuned for that. And I'll also show my XP as the first Pokemon of the episode goes down. Nice little Teddiursa there. Slowpoke, can I get an excellent? Now, I know it's not the double XP event no more, but it was nice while it lasted. This will be well gone by the time I upload this, but oh, clam pearl. I do like my clam pearls now. Hold on, shiny check here. No. As you can see, I just, we just got out of that event. That event literally just ended today, as of recording. For Slackos, the koala bear looking thingy. Hold on, clam pearl. Dang it. I'm gonna quick catch it because I'm on the daily. Ooh, close to here. What is from my daily? Not the Inkay. I should have pineapped you. Piggy Peck? No. Shiny check the Stunfisk? No. The Deerling? Negative. Okay, here we go. Oddish. I'm working on that Master Ball research, so once I get that, I'm gonna definitely use it on Articuno or Zapdos. Oh man, how long is this little series gonna go on for? We got a wild Pidgey though. We'll quick catch it. Yeah. Alright, what's the... Oh, I heard it. I heard something spawn. Wild Executor. That's a Paris. Oh, Mankey. We got a Mankey. One thing I like about my local park here is they don't shut the lights off till 11 o'clock. So it's completely normal. It's 10 o'clock right now and it's completely normal. There's people chilling on the tennis court. Whole bunch of people playing basketball. It's 10 o'clock at night. It feels like it's 7. Rattata. Jupiter. Dang, I want this one shiny too. Where's my spawn now? Gulpin, need that shiny too. Oh no, get out of here, Executor. No, you're not my spawn. It's the Stravia. Oh my goodness. Alright. Okay, I was too late. It poofed on me. I guess let's check Thor. Yeah, I'll call it Thor. Oh, shiny check real quick. Makuhita. Alright, what is it? Jigglypuff? Great. That's cool. Alright, while we're catching the Jigglypuff, I gotta do a little shameless plug here. Once again, thank you to my sister for literally doing everything with merch. And not only is it Survivor 3 merch, she's got designs on shirts that she designed herself. She designed all of the Survivor 3 merch. So come to the website, check it out. She designed the website, bought the equipment to make the shirts, design the shirts. Like, yo, no cap, my sister literally did everything. Like, I owe her so much. And so come check us out. Description, nope, it'll be the first pinned comment. And we got another Teddy Ursa. So if you would like to help me out, help my sister out in any way, just come buy some merch. I'm sure somewhere in this video there'll be another little video showing the shirts and stuff. Hold on, let me spin this. Alright. About 8.5 minutes left on this wind pod. Just waiting for my spawn. Whoa, okay, interesting. This is what I like about every episode, because you just never know what's gonna spawn on the daily adventure. As the car's backfiring. Okay, y'all hear that? It's the car backfiring. We got the Hariyama. Yo, it's 10:10 at night. Why are people pulling into the playground? What is happening? Need another spawn though. Alright, here we go, finally. Joltic. Yo, no cap, felt like I was walking for like 2 minutes without a spawn. It's all good. Yo, Joltic, chill. Relax, buddy. Alright, Joltic down. What else we got? Wild Sandshrew. What just spawned in? Was that a Palmy? It was. What's up, Palmy? Not a bird. Ah, where's my bird at? How much longer I got? Five and a half minutes. Got a wild primate though. Alright, hold on. Let me try and quick catch this thing. Whew. Terrible throw. Might have caught it, might not. It's like kind of like using the Go Plus. Chop. What's up, Chop? Take a pineapple. Yeah. Oh my goodness, Machop. It's feisty. Alright, Machop down. Ooh, Shiny-O-Tad. Negative. Mudkip. Yo, it's nice to see Mudkips and Torchics. Oddish. I thought that was from my daily. It's not. Swaddle. I guess it was Swaddle. Was Swaddle there the whole time? I'm blind. I wear glasses for a reason. Alright, where we at? Grimer? Nothing. Okay, I'll take that. Appreciate you. These eggs are killing me on this masterwork research. I heard it. It's a snubble. Sandoval. Alright, now when I said it was nice to see Torchics in the wild, I didn't mean off my daily, Niantic. Niantic, listen up. We need to talk. Boost the rates for these birds, man. Just for like a week or two. Help a brother out, man. Come on. Alright, Torchic down. Two minutes. We got a Trico. Oh, my XP. Oh, I'm about to level up too. I want to try and do it within like the next week or two. But now my XP, the catch XP is gone. It's gone. Where's my spawn? Pat rat. Grimer. Trico. Okay. Spawn. About a minute left, man. Come on now. Yo, somebody jamming. Alright. Get your music out of here, man. Copyright myself. Alright, what we got, though? Come on, Mareep. Can I get one more spawn? 40 seconds. I'm sure I can, right? Yo, Tyrant. Yo, imagine if that was shiny. Just imagine. Oh, we criticaled it. That's what's up. Come on. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, I didn't want to share it. Alright, as we sit here and we're looking at 13 Pokemon on today's adventure. 658 meters total. Highlight that Hariyama for sure. Let's get out of here though. Get out of here. The stats, let's go ahead and check it. There's so much going on right now. No zeros, no hundos. Let's go ahead and check my XP. Let's get out of here. 20,353,000 on the way to level 49, grinding to 50. Oh, we're getting so close. That's all I got. Where's my birds at? Niantic, we need to talk. Like and subscribe for more. Hope you guys enjoyed though. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Mewtwo. Peace.